Hello everybody, in this video I'm gonna teach you how you can get the best use of the Godot tileset. This is a really noob video. So if you never use Godot or you never use the tileset, this is the video for you. And think what better way to learn than reproduce the work of this famous level of this famous game. So let's get started. And if you see, I already start this project, but I'm gonna make another project, a new one, when we need these assets. And I already prepared these assets. This is the first level of Mario Bros. Okay, this is what you see. And we need a tile set, which is a bunch of tiles which are used by the Mario Bros game, and we're gonna use this one for making our level. So the first we start with a new project. We go back to the project list. Yes, I quit, and we start from the beginning with a new project. So new project, I'm gonna call it Mario Bros remake. Choose a folder, Mario project, for example, project. Okay, then select the current folder, create and edit. So we start with a brand new project, and we're gonna import our assets into the asset folder. That's it. So we do have this one, and we open in the file manager, then create a new folder which we call assets. Then we do a copy paste of the two files. That's it. Okay, assets paste. Then we go back to Godot. So in Godot, we see we do have the two files, and we're gonna start our first level with a new scene and start with the 2D scene, which start with the node 2D, which we're gonna call level 1. Okay, and in this level we're gonna put our level. So the level is for the reference, so we can start to create our level, and each time we're gonna use the sprite above to make our level. So first thing first, we need a tile set. That's what we're gonna do. Add the child node, and we put tile set. Oops. Sorry, the tile map. The tile set. Okay, tile map. First thing is the tile map, and the second thing, we're gonna make a reusable tile set, which we're gonna use in all our future levels, and we're gonna see how we can do that. So we start with the properties of the tile map, which are here in the cell. And if I'm not mistaken, our tile set use 60 by 60 pixels. So I'm gonna put a size of 16 by 16 right in the beginning, and we are all set. So if you are on tile map, you do have a cell of 16 by 16. This is done. So the next thing, we're gonna save our level, and we make a folder for the levels so we can be more organized. So that's it, and we save our level on the folder levels. That's it. The next thing, like I said, we're gonna make our tile set. So you have many ways to do that. You can create right now, make a new tile set, then load it, or you can add directly in a folder which we're gonna call in our project when you can put a new folder, and which you're gonna call resources, and from this folder we're gonna add each time the new resource we need. So we're gonna add a new resource by right clicking on the resource folder. So, and we choose the tile set. That's it, new tile set, and then create. We're gonna call it Mario tile set, new tile set, this way, and then we save. So the goal, of course, is to make a reusable resource, which you can use in other levels. So first thing, we're gonna start by pushing the expand button, and then we import our texture to the tile set so we can start making our tiles. And we do that with the add button. Then we go to the asset folder and then add the Mario Bros asset. That's it. So we can make zoom by pushing the zoom in button. You see, we do have a zoom button. You can go back like this. And to make your first tile set, first tile, sorry, what we have to do is we have to select the new single tile, and after that we put the grid. We enable the snap and show grid, so we can show the grid of the our tiles. And by default, when you start a new tile, you can have the snap option. You can't have it before, so you have to click first on the asset, then you do have the snap option. And by default you have a step by 32 by 32, so we're gonna change it to make it for the good size, and the good size is 16 by 16. And you see we do have our tile made and correct. So to have the new tile, you can of course make the collisions, occlusions, or navigation if so, but we're gonna stop ourselves in the collision, so we can make a new collision, and that's it. And don't forget to hit the save button. This is the only way to have your Colintic editor resource available, and just put save and we are all set. So if you go back to the tile map don't have any tile set selected, so you have to load a tile set, and we push the button load and go to the tile set, and see we do have our first tile set. So how you can do this? Simply you just click on the level and you do have your tile which is ready to use in your level. So the same way you make your other tile. We only have one, but you can see that we need other tiles to make our level. So we go back to our resource by double clicking, and we do have to make another. So how to use the tile editor? You have to go back to the tile map. First select the node tile map. Then, like I said, you can put directly. I already prepared all the tiles I need. So you have to click with the left mouse button to have your, and to delete or to undo, you just need to click the right mouse, and then you clean what you already done. So this is the way. So you can understand that what I've done, that I already make about 16 by 2 high from this line, and this way I can have something to reproduce. And what I have to do is just to make it at the beginning of the level, and then put it like this and continue all the way long. So fortunately we have other tools to make this, and the best way to do it is to use the line tool, and we have it right here. You have to select it with the paint tile. You can make other make selection, then do a copy paste, or you can use the bucket fill. So I'm going to use the paint tile. When you can use the shift, then the left mouse button to draw a line, or you do a shift control and left mouse button to make a rectangle paint. So I'm going to choose the control shift and then continue to make my level. So see, I just have to move our mouse all along, and I think this should do it. This is how you use the control shift to make a rectangle, or you just do a shift to make a line. See, and we do have the same result, although you have to go back and draw another line. So you choose the one which is best for you, and you continue to make your level all along. See, you can continue like this, and we go back and then continue to make our level. So this is how you do it, and then we can make a zoom and we continue our level. So I forgot to put the question mark block, so I have to go back to my Tileset resource and add a new tile with the question mark. So make a zoom back, and this is it. This is where it is. So new single Tileset, and then make a collision. So we have it ready, and then make a save to have it, and go back to the level, to the tile map, and you can see that I do have the question mark block right here. So I think we can put it right here and continue with our level and try to make it the same as the Mario level. So we need this one right here, and you can continue same way to make all your level. So the question that we all have is, can I use this resource in another level? Of course, this is the proper way to use our resources, so you don't have to use and reuse and recreate another tile set each time you need the same resources. And you see the process is straightforward and very easy to use. And we're gonna make a save and start a new level with a new tile map, and see how you can reuse the same resource across many levels. This is the level 2. Level 2 scene, not in the resource but in levels. Save. And then level 3. Same, save, and we continue with the same. Although you can do a copy paste, okay, you can do a copy paste with the last version of Godot, which is the one I'm using. You can do a copy paste of node, okay, you can use it, but I'm using the old way, so you can understand that you can do it yourself. Add a new tile map for the second level, add a new tile map for the third level, and we are all set. So in the level 2, what we do, we just select your tile set, make a load, go to the resource, and then you're done with the same level. Although you do have to reconfigure the cell for the tile map, 16 by 16. And that's it, you're done. So you can start a brand new level, making a line, for example. select the line tool and then start with the line. Make the same thing and see how you can make a line, a vertical line. Same here. And then we can use the bucket fill and see how you can easily make a new level. So we're gonna use the sky tile, so we can make the sky. Okay, you have to select the tile map. So have to go back to the paint tile, so we can do it. Do the shift so we can make line. So this is the way you do it. Okay, you can do it by one by one, which is too much, or you can make a line and then make a bucket fill, so you can go with the best easy way to do it and make some skies. No, you'd have to go back to the paint tile so you can put your sky and continue in the same way and undo if are some mini mistakes. So this is it. This was a new video, okay, just to help you to have a good start with the tile sets. Maybe there are some many things you can you can do, and I'm gonna finish with the last one, which is the copy paste. I totally forgot to do that. We're gonna end with this feature, which is a cool one, and all you have to do to have to select the select tool, okay, and just do a drag and drop. That's it. Then do a copy paste, Control C, then see that you do have a duplicate of your tiles, then do a Control V, or you just have to click, see, and you continue the same way across all your level. Each time you need the same sequence of tiles, and of course we are not really with the same as our level, but just to make it, you see, you can do it. You see that it's possible, totally possible to do it. And then you have to do an escape to escape and continue the way. So this is it for this video. If you like the content, please subscribe to the channel. I try to make a video each week and try to do my best to make it enjoyable as possible. So see you soon.